British school bus driver encountered a shocking surprise during a return trip from France, discovering two illegal immigrants hidden beneath the vehicle. The driver heard banging and cheering noises, and upon investigation, found the men concealed beneath the wheel arches. These migrants tried to disguise themselves as students on the trip. Parents and teachers also noticed odd sounds coming from under the bus as it re-entered England. The driver, facing a perilous situation, continued at a safe speed, keeping the children unaware of the incident. Police were called and advised the driver to proceed cautiously until reaching a service station. The incident highlights the complexities and potential dangers of illegal immigration. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.